Hi, this is Luz Jane Encarnado, your Amazon Seller Virtual Assistant. And in this presentation, I'll walk you through how I conduct keyword research and create optimized product listings designed to boost visibility and conversions. First, we need to understand why keyword research and listing optimization matter. It is because they are the backbone of Amazon success. They will ensure your product appears in the right searches, attracts the right audience, and convert clicks into sales, all while staying compliant with Amazon's policies. Step 1. We need to determine the main keyword. It is our laying foundation. So I start by identifying the main keyword, the most relevant high performing term representing the product, because this will ensure the alignment with what shoppers are searching for on Amazon and builds the foundation for the rest of the listing. So how how should I do this, or how should we do this? So first, we will use the X-ray in Helium 10 product research. We will search the main keyword. We also need to sort the unit sales from highest to lowest. We will select 10 ASINs um that are same as our product or at least similar. We need to hide the sponsored products. We need to write the search volume and of course use Cerebro. Also in this step, we need to choose the ASIN that has sales of 300 unit above. We need to choose the match type organic and then apply filters. In the next step, which is the step 2, the competitor and keyword analysis for Amazon listing. So this is the step where we need to understand the market. So here I analyze top competitors to see what's working in their listings from keywords to pricing and reviews. So how should we do this? So we need to search or our final keyword in Amazon, and of course we need to use X-ray Helium 10 product research. In the same process, we need to hide the sponsored products. We need to use filters, sort it to high unit sales from highest to lowest. Also choose still 10 ASIN competitors that are the same in our chosen product. ASINs that has 300 unit sales. And of course, we need to input our search volume, which is 2000, and of course, click Cerebro. Before I forgot, we need to exclude variation and of course, download the reports. This is what I mean. Use Helium 10 Cerebro, perform reverse ASIN search to discover which search terms drive traffic and sales for those products. Step 3 is the data collection and keyword bank. This is the building our strong keyword and strategy. So after gathering data, after downloading and reviewing the keyword reports, I filter terms with high search volume, medium competition, and high relevance to the product. From this, I create a keyword bank of primary, secondary, and long tail keywords for optimization. Next step is crafting an effective product listing. Once keywords are ready, I begin crafting the product listing. This includes writing an SEO optimized title, creating benefit driven bullet points, writing persuasive product description, adding high quality product images, and each element follows Amazon's listing standards and best practices. So there are words being restricted in Amazon, so we need to know that. Next is the product title and target market. This is where crafting a clear, researchable title. So an optimized title includes the main keyword, key benefit, and main feature. For example, bamboo toothbrush. It is an eco-friendly, BPA-free soap bristles, 100% biodegradable. It's written to attract the target audience like eco-conscious families or zero-waste consumers. But then, just like what I've said earlier, there are words restricted on Amazon now. So we need to know that before finalizing our keywords or before finalizing our perfect product title, of course. Next is product description and bullet points. This is how we tell the product story of our chosen product. And the description communicates the product story, what it is, why it's great, and why it's unique. So the bullet points summarize the main benefits, focusing on readability and sealing power. And example bullet points is natural bamboo material, safe for the whole family, BPA free soft bristles, zero waste solution, and satisfaction guaranteed. Well, the final optimized listing is a result of strategic keyword use, creative copywriting, and data driven insights. It helps products rank higher, attract ideal customers, and ultimately drive consistent Amazon sales. So that's all. And always remember, there are words restricted now on Amazon. I'm so excited in working with you.